Hi, World Geography. Okay, so I want to talk about your guys' project. I'm in your trifolds and some things that you can kind of expect with that. It's definitely going to look different, um, but we're going to continue to do it. So I had said in the previous video that I'm going to be flexible, but I'm going to need you guys to just, do your best, okay? So you should all have your trifolds for one. And all of you on Classroom, if you go to Country Project, okay, the beautiful thing is um, you should, you already have your research done. So that's really good, okay, that we have that taken care of. Okay, so if we scroll down on this assignment, um, you will see your, once we get past all of this. Okay, you will see your trifold requirements. Okay, guys, ideally, your trifold would include all of this. However, I understand that access to things may be limited. So, if you are able to meet all of those requirements, that is fantastic, and I want you to do that, okay? That's the goal, all right? Obviously, some modifications are going to have to happen. So you just kind of are going to have to communicate with me. If that all of a sudden means that you can't print stuff and you're going to have to be handwriting some information, that's totally okay. All right. If you don't have, access to like pictures, like printing stuff, we'll have to modify some of that too. If you do, that is fantastic, and I hope you, um, you take that and you get that information on there. Things that I want you to do though is make sure you get like um, the 5 themes of geography. Okay, what are your examples? Get that on there. What is your crisis and your claim? Your country's name, the currency, the language. I also still want you guys to learn some phrases, okay? So I want you to be able to say hello or how are you or goodbye, something like that in your language, okay? It doesn't really matter what the phrase is, but you do need to learn to do that, okay? Because we are going to do a presentation, it's just going to look different, all right? Also, your flag's meaning. Know what the flag's meaning is as well, okay? Definitely get those things. Have tourist attractions. You can write them on there, what they are. You can describe them. Do your best, okay? It's okay if it's not going to be maybe what you had hoped, because I understand things are limited, all right? A 3D component. If you can't actually come up with one, you need to tell me what you would have done. Okay? So have something in mind, like this is what I would have done, this is what it would have looked like, and this is why. Okay? If you can execute it, I encourage you to do so. Okay? But if you can't, it's all right. Okay. So you are going to present these. You're going to record yourself with your trifold, and you're going to send me a video of that presentation, and you're going to present that information that is here, right, on this Google Doc that you guys have, okay? Also, those of you who are wondering about your grades, you definitely need to do this so I can see this. All right, I will put that out there, but I need that presentation should be recorded and uploaded to me by, we'll do Sunday, April 12th, okay? Sunday, April 12th is when that will be, I want that recorded and to me to have access. Now, obviously you can do that beforehand. I will put a place on Classroom for that, okay? And you're taking a quiz as you're watching this, okay, to make sure that you know those things. But I will set all of those dates up for you. Okay. Also, by April 3rd, okay, so that is this Friday, right? April 3rd, I need to know 2 things from you. What would be your 3D element? Okay, I don't need to see it, I just need to know what it is. And once again, I'll have a spot for that. And the other thing I need to know from you is what your recipe is or would be. Now, some of you might have the opportunity to make that recipe at home. I want you to take pictures of it, and I'll have a place to upload that as well. Maybe pictures of you making it, whatever it might be. It doesn't really matter, okay? But I want you to, regardless, what would your recipe be? And you will like type that in for me. And I'll have a place for that. And I need to know what that recipe is by April 3rd. The recipe does not need to be made again until April 12th, okay? So everybody, I need to know what it would be, whether you're going to make it or not, but you can make it between now and April 12th, okay? You have that much time to be getting those done. All right, because then after April 12th, we'll be done with like the physical part of your guys' project, so the food and the presentation. Trifold will be completed, but then we will move on to the website, and I think that will be, you're just going to need your Chromebook and some internet access, and you will be able to make those websites, but I will not have tutorials on what that all is going to include until we get to that time. All right, now with that being said, I'm going to be checking in between now and then. You're going to have some like quizzes, things to be doing. I'm going to have some different things on Classroom for you guys. And I'm going to try and put up a schedule just so you guys know kind of what to be expecting. But I definitely want to hear from you all. I'm going to find out where you're at with this project, what you think you're capable of getting done, stuff like that. And so we will be checking in there. Okay. When it comes time to record it, there are some different things that you can use. I will add some links for you. But something that tends to work for Chromebooks is the website Loom. Okay. And you would do like this. You could set up, you can present, and you will send that to me. Okay. Or if you just want to set up your phone and record that and get it sent on Classroom, that's fine too. Okay. Again, that's not until April 12th, Sunday, April 12th. Okay. So, which I guess is Easter. So you can get that to me, whenever. So hopefully that clarifies a little bit. I'll be looking at that stuff. Please ask me any questions. Please communicate with me, and just be paying attention to Google Classroom and some stuff we have along the way. Okay. Hopefully this helps a little bit. See you guys.